case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
At the heart of the conflict, Klewin claimed breach of an oral contract, seeking quantum meruit recovery, and citing detrimental reliance when Flagship engaged another contractor for the next project stage. They alleged that the lack of a written contract didn't excuse Flagship's actions, a claim on which the district court initially ruled against. According to the court, the statute of frauds prevented a binding agreement without a written and signed memorandum. However, the Connecticut Supreme Court departed from this reasoning and asserted that an oral contract's enforcement was not determined purely by its potential duration. Instead, the court pointed out, it was steered by its inherent terms. If an oral agreement didn't define an explicit time frame beyond a year, it was still considered valid and enforceable. This interpretation by the court arose from an intricate reading of the one-year provision in the statute of frauds, which was introduced to thwart deceit and collusion in court proceedings. Interestingly, despite its repeal by the British Parliament in 1954, the statute remains effective in most of the United States. It held that the one-year provision applied only if the contract could clearly not be performed within a year. Taking a broader viewpoint on the time provision would, as the court noted, open a Pandora's box of litigation. It might invite lawsuits that involved oral contracts for brief durations, but sat awkwardly on the timeline, such as work contracts for one day starting 13 months from their creation. This principle steered the court's ruling against the district court's decision, marking a significant turn in the traditional understanding of the statute of frauds and oral contract enforcements.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit LSD.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of climb.